the zone, red wine. Entry number 3, Sanas. Strong from the outside, Fearless Boss. On your knees, racing in Port Talisman. 6 position, work of hard. Down on the inside, the Mansura, Grey Caviar, and Victory Cross number 2. Training the group is Super Chong. Back to the front runners, Salinas, via Lankenap, is standing strong, the favorite. Second position, third on and racing for Talisman, Fearless Boss, Grey Caviar. Red Wine is running in 7th position by the work position. Now the favorite takes the lead, standing strong, Salinas. On your knees, Talisman on the outside, Fearless Boss, Grey Caviar. As they race the far corner, is standing strong by Happening. On your knees on the outside is Talisman, is standing strong, the leader, followed by Talisman. On your knees, last 150, the favorite is standing strong, now in full throttle and winning this race. Race number 7. Number 7, standing strong. Grey Caviar, Talisman, Work of Art, Red Wine, close. On your knees, Fearless Boss. Super 6.